Hey guys, today I would like to present to you the all-new 2014 BMW 4 Series, the 435i Coupe. And I would like to give a big shout out to Brian Harris, BMW, located on 12336 Airline Highway, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, for giving me permission to come out to film the 2014 BMW 435i. The new BMW 4 Coupe also have the nickname Unforgettable and was designed to catch your eyes. The new 4 Series is distinguished by a slicker presence than the sedan. Its low, slung, low cabin profile is impressively sporty and highlighted by flare fenders and a character line rising from the front fender to the rear tail light. It also is a replacement for the previous 3 Series Coupe. Special styling details such as vents just aft of the front wheels, which will improve aero efficiency, further differentiate the 4 Series. The front features xenon adaptive headlights with dynamic auto leveling, corona headlight rings, and LED accent lights, fog lights, and the aerodynamic front bumper, which was designed to characterize the new BMW 4 Series. Here is the specific BMW dual spoke black and chrome kidney grille. 18-inch alloy wheels come with the Sport line, and this model have the upgraded option, the M Sport brake caliper, for faster stopping. The new 4 Series have the vent on the fender, which will improve aero efficiency. LED turn signal light. The BMW 4 Series is currently sold as a coupe only. A convertible and a sedan Grand Coupe is likely to join later this year or next year. To the back, you can see the LED backlight, LED turn signal light, LED brake light, dual black chrome tip exhaust come with the Sport line package. Otherwise, you will get the standard dual chrome tip exhaust. There is the sunroof. The car does come with smart access key. All you have to do is put the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand on the back of the handle to unlock. The interior features black sport leather seats with red stitching contrast on the seat, steering wheel, as well as the door panels. Push button ignition. With your foot on the brake, press the button to start. Under the hood is a twin-turbo 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, pushing out 300 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.6 seconds, which is good for this class, with estimated fuel economy 25 miles per gallon combined, 22 city, 32 highway. Frameless door with beautiful silver accenting and anthracite wood trim. Both windows are fully automatic. Harman Kardon sound system. BMW Sports aluminum door sill. Eight-way power front seats include 2 manual headrests and driver memory with 2 presets for exterior mirror and seat position. And the thigh extension. The unique BMW 3-spoke steering wheel is wrapped in black leather, finished up nicely with a red stitching contrast, beautiful silver accenting in the middle, and multi-function side by side. Also come equipped with the steering paddle shifter, down and up. Fog light, light control, air vent, the large multimedia screen, beautiful wood trim on the dash, double air vent, emergency hazard light, 8 preset station setting as well as disc changer, dual climate control, ashtray, cigarette lighter, you can remove the tray for a 2-cup holder, Sport mode, Eco mode, Sport Plus, Eco Pro. Here's the gear box. Push the unlock button and pull down to drive. Up for neutral, up for reverse. Press P for park. You can use this center knob and the button around the knob to control the screen, menu, radio, telephone, move up, down, right, left, and press down to select. Park and brake, center storage compartment, with 12-volt power outlet, USB and auxiliary in. Glove box compartment, sunroof with one touch open, close and tilt button, also come equipped with BMW roadside assistance, light, garage door opener, sun visor vanity light with a card holder, the rear seat does come as a split folding seat. The 4 Series might be new, but the cabin is all 3 Series with a classy design and premium material. The company classic analog gauge provide a historical link with BMW of previous decades, while the luxury sport and M Sport give you plenty of leeway to customize the cabin to your taste. Behind the wheel, a lower seating position than the sedan help to add sporting personal of the BMW 4 Series Coupe. The front seats are very supportive and comfortable and good for both long road trips and spirited driving. Compared to the previous generation 3 Series Coupe, there is also more room all around, particularly in the rear where there's an impressive amount of legroom and enough headroom for an average-sized adult. The interior storage is pretty limited, with fewer places to store your personal belongings. That's the light for the rear passenger. Rear armrest also include 2 cup holder. Pull the lever, push up to get out. The trunk offers a cargo space capacity of 15.7 cubic feet, which is pretty good for the size of the car. Overall, the 2014 BMW 4 Series is indeed a new nameplate for the brand. It not only supplants the 3 Series Coupe, but seeks to distance itself from the 3 Series sedan. Compared to the old 3 Series Coupe, the 4 Series is stretched in both width and wheelbase, added new body accent, more aggressively flare fenders, and a lower, more muscular stance. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this review and I'll see you on my next video.